Let me teach you how to put your videos on a phone markup using CapCut app. So let's go. Click on your CapCut app, then select new project, select the video you want to use, then add the video. Here we go. Please look for a sticker, and once it loads on this menu, scroll down till you get to this particular square sticker. Let's say this one. Then select this phone. Yes, so you expand this phone markup, you expand it. There you go. Then select your video back, then drag with your 2 fingers to adjust to the side of the phone. Then go back to the menu and select mask. Select on this rectangle. Then you adjust your video to the edges of the phone, to blend with the edges of the phone. Then here you go. Then you drag this phone icon to the end of the video. Then let's play it and see what we've done. See? The video is inside the phone. Yeah, hope you learned something. Please share, like. Thank you for watching, and follow for more.